Hi and hello everyone, this is srishti and today I am going to talk about what videos you can see on YouTube to prepare for your MCQs. Now, as you all know, I do not recommend you to separately prepare for your MCQs, but it is very important for you to at least go through the ICAI the MCQs which they have published. Now for that there are a few video lectures which I suggest. Now for audit, highly recommend the revision lectures, the MCQs and the RTP discussions of Aarti Lahoti ma'am. She is simply amazing. She talks about how to choose certain options in MCQs, or at least sometimes it's not really it's pretty tricky for you to choose the right option, so she tells you how to eliminate the wrong options. So that strategizing is amazing in her videos, so you should check them out. Next, for law MCQs, I love the MCQ videos, the discussions by Sanidhya Saraf sir. Now if you want it in a KBC style, you can see the videos of Swapnil Patni sir as well in regard to MCQ, but make sure you just make it short, crisp and prepare for your examinations and not concentrate much on entertainment. Next is for ISCA. Now frankly speaking, I did not use any MCQ videos for my preparation for ISCA, but right now I just while browsing I went through these videos and I find this particular video good for MCQ discussion. This is a particular channel which I haven't used before, but you can see it and you can tell me what you feel about it. So this is CA Ambition. For DT, again my all-time favorite, the revision lectures and the MCQ discussions by Bhavar Burana sir is simply amazing. He also talks about the RTP, the amendments of the RTP as well. So you can see his videos and prepare for your MCQs. Now, why I'm recommending you all these lectures is because a lot of times we just pick and choose some MCQs which we do not know why we've picked, right? We just do an inky pinky ponky and select. Now that might not be the right approach. That is definitely not the right approach, but that may not be the appropriate approach for a lot of the MCQs, right? So you need to know the story behind each and every selection. Now these professors really teach you that. Now for IDT, again I did not separately prepare. I did not see any YouTube videos for my preparation for MCQs. I did it on my own, but there are a couple of videos when I browsed through for IDT. This is by Rajkumar sir. Another one is by Amit Jain sir, etc. So you can definitely look at them and see which one suits you best. Now most of these videos, at least for IDT and for a couple of the other topics or subjects, is not in English, so you might just want to look for which is more comfortable for you. Now this is all about the MCQ preparation, so if you want me to make the videos on few more topics in relation to your examination, please do mention it in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. So till then, all the best. Bye. Love for studies.